Hi everyone, this is Jessica and I'm doing a video for Little Dudes and Divas. This is Deanna. Say hi, Deanna.
Hi.
Okay, this is my Mighty Bee and I took it sailing yesterday, so it's all packed up. In the front I have wipes and diapers on both sides. And in here is one of my favorite accessories. I have snacks. Here. I have everything I need in here, my ID and everything. Boogie wipes and an ouch pouch. And in here I have drinks and all of our clothes and swimsuits, which is a lot. And I also have my Be Small change pad because it's padded. Well, I was going to show you all my favorite accessories, but as you can see, Deanna climbed over the top of them. So here is, for example, my Quicks. And some more set pieces. Okay, I think we're done. Say bye, Deanna.
Bye.
Say bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Okay.